Hello guys, this is Gingineer. So sagutan natin guys itong ating age problem dito. So Mr. Santos is 30 years older than his son Mark. 8 years ago, Mr. Santos was 6 times as old as Mark. 4 years from now, Mark's age plus his sister's Anna's age will equal Mr. Santos' age. Anna is 8 years younger than Mark. How old is Anna now? Okay, so mahirap itong problem natin guys. Nakita nyo naman, napakaraming condition. So, ang gagawin natin na una is syempre maglagay tayo ng mga representation variable. So, lahat ng mga tao guys na makita natin, lagyan natin ng variable. So, si Mr. Santos, gawin natin siyang variable X. Si Mark, gawin natin siyang variable Y. And si Anna naman, gawin natin siyang variable Z. Ayan. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng equation isa-isa na based doon sa condition na nasa problem. So, unang condition, Mr. Santos is 30 years older than his son Mark. So, si Mr. Santos na variable X, mas matanda daw siya kaya variable Y na si Mark ng 30 years. So, ito na yung first equation natin. First equation done. Punta naman tayo sa second equation. 8 years ago. Ayan. So, ago, ibig sabihin, nasa past tayo. So, kailangan nating umatras ngayon ng 8 years sa mga variables natin. So, 8 years ago, Mr. Santos, siya si variable X. So, maglalagay na tayo ngayon ng minus 8. Ayan. So, atras na kasi tayo kasi in the past na yung equation natin. So, X minus 8 was 6 times as old as Mark. So, 6 times yung si Mark na variable Y and also maglagay lang tayo ng minus 8. So, this will be our second equation. Okay? Next naman, 4 years from now. So, from now. Ibig sabihin, future naman siya. So, mag-abante naman tayo ng 4 years sa mga variables natin. So, Mark's age plus his sister Anna's age will equal to Mr. Santos. So, si Mark daw na variable Y, so wag natin kakalimutan yung ating plus 4. Plus dun kay sister niya na variable Z, plus 4 lang din, is equal to yung age equal to Mr. Santos age. Ayan. So, age ni Mr. Santos is variable X. Ayan. So, third equation natin ngayon ito. And last guys, meron pa tayong last na equation. Anna is 8 years younger than Mark. So, si Anna na variable Z, mas bata daw siya ng 8 years kay Mark na variable Y. So, Y minus 8. Ayan. So, nagawa na natin guys yung apat na equation natin. So, ang gagawin naman natin dito is hanapin natin yung value ni how old is Anna. So, ni variable Z. Okay? So, apat yung equation natin, guys, and tatlo lang naman yung unknown. So, probably ang gagawin natin dito is tatlo lang din equation yung magagamit. Okay? So, for equation kasi, so parang extra na lang yung isang equation. So, I think ang magagamit lang natin dito, so si first equation, second equation, and fourth equation. Ayan. So, kompleto naman na kasi sila, guys. Tatlong unknown, tatlong variable. So, X, Y, and Z. Meron naman silang lahat. So, para mas mapabilis lang yung pagsusolve natin. Okay? So, first equation and second equation, gamit na gamit yan guys kasi andyan si X and si Y. So, gamitin na lang natin si second equation as our main equation. X minus 8 is equal to 6. So, distribute na natin to guys ha. 6 times Y, that is 6Y. 6 times negative 8, that is negative 48. So, yan na guys, yung second equation natin. So, plug in na lang natin yung mga values. So, si variable X andito. Ayan. Ang value niya is Y plus 30. So, si variable X magiging Y plus 30. And then, copy natin, negative 8 is equal to 6Y minus 48. So, pagsamahin lang natin guys yung mga may variables and yung mga walang variable sa kabilang side naman. Okay? So, itong Y dito, ilipat na lang natin sa right side. So, magiging 6Y, magiging minus Y. Ito, 30 minus 8, that is 22. And then, may ililipat tayo dito, negative 48. Pag nilipat, magiging plus 48. Ayan. So, 22 plus 48, that is 70. Di ba? And 6y minus 5, that is 5y. So, i-divide na lang natin both side ng 5 para makancel tong si 5y na lang yung matitira. So, 70 guys, divided by 5, ilan yan? That is 14. Di ba? So, meron tayong value ni y. Ang hinahanap natin yung value ni z. So, gamitin naman natin ngayon si equation 4 para makuha yung value ni z. So, plug in lang natin guys yung value ni y dito. So, z is equal to y minus 8. Magiging z is equal to 14 minus 8. Ayan. And z is equal to 6. So, ganun lang kadali. So, letter A yung ating sagot.